Hi guys, welcome to my channel Easy Paintings by Ishita. As the name suggests, we will do another easy painting today, that is for the crashing waves. So this particular painting can be achieved with very few colors, and I will also share a tip with you that will help you to achieve this look. So let's get started. So here I have taken a canvas. I'll be adding 3 different shades of blue plus white. So after white I have added the lightest of blue, above that a little darker, and at the very top I'll be adding bright blue, which is the darkest of all these 3 shades. And my apologies, you can see the screen shaking. That's because my camera is trying to lock the focus. I realized it later after the shoot was done, so my apologies for this. So here I have taken a flat brush which is pretty thick, and I've mixed in blue with green to produce a turquoise color. So in the wave motion I will be creating these waves. So there are a couple of shades here, which is a turquoise color, which is blue plus green, a little light blue with dark blue, and their variations. Now I have taken a little of white. So when the waves crash, it does foam up. So this white will reflect that. Now with the fan brush, I'm also taking some more blue and I'm shading it as per my liking. Now I have taken the lightest of blue. If you don't have this, you can just mix in some white with blue, and with the liner brush just create little water lines. Time for the tip of the day. So we will be creating the crashing waves with the help of a cotton ball. So I've dipped this cotton in white color, and I'll slowly dab this in a motion that shows the effect of the waves crashing. I'm creating the wind effect by pushing the water droplets behind. So I'm adjusting this painting as per my liking, and the last part is I'll be drizzling it with a little of white paint with water, and our painting is done. So the painting is ready for your walls. I hope you like today's tutorial because I've tried to do it in the easiest way possible. I hope you will try this. If you do, kindly share your work on my Facebook profile, which is Easy Paintings by Ishita, or on Instagram you can do hashtag Easy Paintings by Ishita so that I get a notification and I can check it out. So thank you for watching, guys. Y'all have a wonderful day.